My name is Pumzile Padedi. I'm the Business Development Manager for SAICA's Associate General Accountant or AGSA designation. Today, I've been invited to chat to you about SAICA and the AGSA designation. Before we get down to business, on behalf of SAICA, I want to congratulate you on choosing accounting. It is an exciting career, and this degree will equip you with skills that you can use in so many areas of business, from corporate to entrepreneurship and everything in between. But what exactly is SAICA? SAICA stands for the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants. Now I know what you are thinking. I didn't sign up to study to become a chartered accountant. Well, here's the thing that most people don't know. SAICA is not just a professional body of chartered accountants. It is responsible for 3 reputable professional accounting and business designations, and these are Accounting Technician, ATSA, Associate General Accountant, AGSA, and of course, Chartered Accountant, CASA. What does that mean? It's very simple. Being a SAICA member or associate enhances your employability, career mobility, and provides you with the world-leading lifelong learning and development opportunities. Being a SAICA AGSA is a badge of professional competence that assures employers of your expertise and overall professional conduct. Sounds great, doesn't it? And it is. In return of these great benefits, SAICA, as the professional home of these 3 designations, expects only the highest level of professionalism, discipline, and performance from its members and associates. But don't worry too much about this, because we are here to help you with that throughout your career. As an AGSA, SAICA will provide you with continuous professional development, networking opportunities, and so much more. Now that you know why being part of SAICA is a good idea, let me tell you about the AGSA designation. AGSA is a technical accounting and business designation that transforms mid-tier accountants into highly skilled professionals who are able to integrate strategic and tactical financial operations with ease. That sounds like a mouthful, I know, but essentially, a AGSA, you can compile companies' financial statements, perform independent reviews of companies with a public interest score of below 100, act as a commissioner of oaths, be a registered tax practitioner, and more. And by fulfilling these management functions, AGSAs are instrumental in bridging operational and strategic management functions within the company they work in, effectively analyzing companies' financial data, communicating financial concept within the work environment with ease, and driving efficiencies and improving performance within the teams. Sounds good. We think so. After all, as an AGA, you benefit from designation that will, 1, strengthen your professional credibility, 2, empower you to progress further in your career, and 3, show employers that you are a highly skilled professional under a globally recognized and premier accounting institute. So, how do you become an AGSA? Well, that's the exciting part. Just by studying here at UJ, you are halfway there already. That's because both UJ's BCom Accounting and BCom Accounting Extended Program degrees are AGSA's accredited programs. Once you've graduated from either of these degrees, you will need to complete a SAICA training contract of a minimum of 3 years at any of our SAICA's more than 700 accredited training offices, or gain 4 years of relevant working experience and complete a SAICA's training equivalent assessment, also known as T, which comprises of portfolio of evidence. Successfully fulfilling these requirements and the AGSA designation is yours. So what are you waiting for? Give yourself the distinguishing mark of accounting and financial excellence and make yourself more competitive by becoming an AGSA. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about AGSA designation or any of our designations, visit www.saica.co.za or email us at saica@saica.co.za.